Hello students. So we will learn in this semester about advanced embedded systems, and its code is TC659. So I am Dr. Gaurav Verma, and I will tell you that what is embedded system and what is the role of embedded system in electronics and communication. So it is a very important technology, and it is very important computing system, and we should learn that how the computing systems and embedded systems should work. So in this discussion we will firstly find that what is the syllabus we are going to learn, and what are the course outcomes of this syllabus. So in this discussion we will go for syllabus discussion and course outcome discussion. So in the syllabus you have unit 1. In unit 1 you have introduction to embedded system, and it is embedded system versus general purpose computing system. We will find that what is the difference between these two things, and what are the embedded systems and what are general computing systems. We will learn about these two things. Next we will learn that what is the history of embedded systems, that how the embedded systems grows in our history, and how we can classify these things, what are the application areas where the embedded system can be used, and the typical embedded systems which are important for understanding, and what are the characteristics and quality attributes. Characteristic and quality attributes of embedded system means how will you find that any system is embedded system or not, that what are the characteristic of this embedded system. So we will learn in our introduction to embedded, in the unit 1, about the introduction to embedded system. Okay, so next is we will find that what are the microcontrollers and how they come in use for our purpose of the designing of embedded systems. So we will learn about 8051 microcontroller and 8031 architectures. So these are very basic architectures. The students should know about these two architectures, and this is very basic, and it was developed by Intel Industries, and you will learn in this 8051 microcontroller about instruction sets, and what are the addressing modes of 8051, what are the interrupts and timers of the 8051, and after that we will find that what is the PIC series of microcontroller, so peripheral interface circuits. So it is important, and these are also types of microcontroller. So we will find two type of things in this unit. One is the 8051 and another is PIC microcontroller. Unit 3 discusses about the system design and peripheral interfacing. So in this unit we will find that what is the digital and analog interfacing, and how we can interface two things, that is in digital signals and analog signals, and for that what are the important circuits we need to use to interface the digital and analog with our embedded systems. So next we will find the programming framework and how we can work on this programming framework, and what are the software development tools, and how we can use the software development for the embedded systems. So that is about the system design and peripheral interfacing in the unit 3. In unit 4 we will learn about real-time operating system, and real-time operating system are basically the embedded systems, are the operating system which are used for the embedded system design. So as we use the operating system for our computers, similarly we can use the operating system for our small embedded systems. We will learn about these type of systems and how we can work on them. We can find these things in this unit, and here we will learn about the basics of the operating systems, types of operating system, tasks, processes, threads, multiprocessing and multitasking, and task scheduling. So all these things we will learn in unit 4 of real-time operating system. In unit 5 we will find some advanced architectures of microcontroller. So we will learn about 16 and 32-bit microcontrollers. So in the last unit, in the unit 2, we will discuss about the 8051 microcontroller, which is basically a 8-bit microcontroller, and here we will learn about 16 and 32-bit microcontrollers and their architectures. We will find that what is the 8096 and 80196 family, and what is the Motorola family, and the ARM 32-bit microcontroller and AVR family. So definitely we are not going in the details of these type of the microcontrollers. We are going in the just introduction of these microcontrollers. So after learning this syllabus, you will know about how we can design an embedded system and advanced embedded system design. So the important books for this. So what is the advanced in this case? Advanced is the real-time operating system, and the 32-bit and 16 and 32-bit microcontroller. So this syllabus is basically a complete course on embedded system design. So you can, after the completion of this course, you will able to design a simple microcontroller based embedded system, which can be used for a simple task or a dedicated task. Next we have the authors book. So there is the name of authors, books and publishers. So you can find your textbooks in this, the Raj Kamal, which language is very easy, and it is very useful book for the advanced embedded system course and microcontroller programming. The book name is Microcontroller Programming, Interfacing and System Design. So it is second edition of Pearson's. The year of reprint is 2005. Next book is the J Morton. It is also used for the PIC microcontroller. So one part you can find of your syllabus in J Morton PIC microcontroller. It is 2005. The reprint of this publication is in 2005. Next is the reference book is the M Mazidi. So much of your syllabus you can find in the M Mazidi of unit 2. So here you can find the 8051 microcontroller and embedded system design. And next is KV Sidhu Introduction to Embedded System, first edition, and it is with the Teta McGraw Hill, Frank Wahid and Tony Gevargis, and embedded system design. It is also a very good book for the understanding of microcontrollers, embedded systems, and the basic design of embedded system, advanced embedded system. So mode of evaluation of your syllabus will be on the base of the test, quizzes, assignments, and midterm exam and end term exams. So this is all about the mode of evaluation. So in the course outcome, the understanding the difference between the general computing system and embedded system, and the classification of the embedded systems. In the next course outcome is the analysis and understand the architecture of 8051 series and PIC microcontroller. So after understanding the microcontroller architectures, you can find that how you can design a microcontroller based applications. Next is the learning the programming framework and software development process for the embedded system design and be able to write the small programs. So I will tell you that how a program is written on a 8051 microcontroller. So you can write a small program over there for small applications. So understanding the structures and the role of the real-time operating system and relate to the development tools in the development of real-time applications using embedded systems. So you will find that how the operating systems are worked for the purposes, for many purposes, and you will find that how these can be used for the embedded systems. Learning different types of the embedded system architecture in the market and successful completion of the embedded system course, the student will develop the small projects or participation in projects that relate to the embedded system applications. So we will find that what is the applications of the embedded system, and you can know that how we can learn these things. So that's all about the course outcomes. So in the next lecture I will tell you about we will start the unit 1. So thank you for this lecture.